Hello, my name is Liam Coutts and this is my game Unseen Truth. Now to begin with, we're going to be going through the models, and I'm just going to be showcasing them from screenshots I took in Maya, and I will also showcase them when they are textured in Engine. The camera I will add more detail on later, but right now, this wall model was used to test the crouch and just the heights and all that. These prison bar models were used for the prison, of course. These props right here, I forgot about the candle and the goblet, but the other two have been used like a lot for other residents. Those are a couple props for the lab. That right there is the desk, the computer, the bamboo, and the file cabinet. The file cabinet's used a lot in the file cabinet room, in the same room where the desk is. These are the modular kits I have for both floors of the map, the lab, and then the residence. And then this is the tower model. This is used to connect the maps. And there's a little X-ray of it so you can see the stairs inside. So now we're on to the gameplay demonstration, and I'm going to be demonstrating the mechanics, and then I'm going to pop the code up on the screen as well when it's related to what I'm about to do. So right now, this is the aim mechanic. This is what brings up the camera in their face. Shows you in the top left your evidence tracker, which when you take photos, so over here's there's the minor evidence, which is shown in yellow. Take a photo of that, adds one to the counter. Then major we have, and over here we have secret, which you take one to track, and you take another to reveal. Over here, we have the crouch wall that I showed earlier in the model showcase. This is just for passages. I use this one in the prison. That's why it's all rocky. And then another one is the camera. The camera? That's a letter right there. When we took photos of those pieces of evidence, I used the camera's capture function, which if you look, it pauses the game and then it takes a screenshot. I'll show you right now where it keeps all the screenshots, and there's also a screenshot on screen there I took of during the gameplay demonstration. That's after this segment. So there's the capture, and then there's the flash feature, which isn't best showcased right now, but I'll show you the blueprint anyway, and you'll actually get to see it better in action in the actual gameplay demonstration. But those are all the core features of the game. The head bob I'll pop on screen now, and then I've got my running as well. The head bob is different while you're crouched, standing, running, and you also have head bob when you're in the camera. Here's a quick little showcase of the white box. I'm going to speed this up just to show you how I did it, but it's just white blocks for the walls, and I've laid it out. There's some cut parts here and there that I had to cut out, like the top floor I had to cut out the game, and then a portion of the ground floor of the residence I had to cut out just because time restrictions. It's also worth mentioning I built on top of each other in a way that the ring in the middle is supposed to be the tower, and it shows you how each of the floors connect to one another. Here I'm going to quickly speed over I think the majority of my code, just show you all of it and the content drawer as well, just all that blah 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 stuff. I'm going to speed this up, do it quick so I can show you the gameplay. Now we're finally at the gameplay demonstration. For this segment of the video, I'm just going to let it play all out, and it'll go past 11 minutes because it's the whole game, and it was really long on its own when I recorded it the first time. I think it was 14 minutes, but I managed to get a bit shorter. I think it's more like 9 to 10, I can't remember exactly, but I'm just going to let it play out, and I'll just tell you a couple things at the beginning. The rest will be silent. So the letters that I've placed around the map are to give you tips. Like that one there details, tells you how to use the secret function, so you can get rid of any illusory walls and open up the secret passages. So I've put a secret passage in that first room with the letter to introduce you to that feature, so you can expect it and The layers just help you understand better. Now I'm just going throughout the map, collecting evidence I'll start in the residence, and then we'll head down into the lab afterwards, after we've done everything on the top floor. And I'll be collecting all the evidence. This is it's like a complete playthrough sort of thing. So, yeah, enjoy.